Okay, so here we are. For this unit, we are going to be studying how do Earth's oceans and atmosphere affect climate. So when you log into Discovery Education, click on that link. And make sure it should bring you right to Explore page 4 of the Climate and Factors That Affect It unit. So start reading. So how do Earth's ocean and atmosphere affect climate? Remember, if you want it read to you, you can highlight it and hit speak text. Also remember that if you see a word highlighted in blue, it's a hyperlink to the Discovery Ed glossary, so you can learn more about that word or what it means. So like climate's highlighted. So keep reading, check out this picture of the ocean. Some more words. Remember, hopefully we all know what atmosphere is at this point, and equator and latitude. Check out this cool visual that models how ocean surface currents travel around the world's oceans. Keep reading. Ooh, you can check out carbon dioxide in the glossary if you would like. Here are 3 activities. Don't worry about this first one. If you love science so much and you're like, Miss Molly, I can't get enough of science, I would recommend doing this exploration. It's going to talk about greenhouse gases and how they contribute to climate change and global warming. And that's going to be the next unit we study when we're done with climate and weather. So if you want to get a jump on that, check this out. This video about climate change and global warming would also be an interesting thing to look at if you're interested in it. It'll give you a preview of what we'll be studying next. Here and then what I would like you to do is fill out or do this graph. This is the activity that you need to do that's related to your learning target. So it says this graph shows Earth's average ocean surface temperatures from 1805 to 2015. So 1805 all the way up to 2015. You can see the data ends right there. The ocean temperatures are the line in the center of the gray area. So this red line is measuring ocean temperatures. They're showing it in degrees Fahrenheit, and those are up here on your X or your Y axis. So the years are on the X axis. The temperatures are on the Y axis, and it's saying it's the number of degrees Fahrenheit above or below an average. So 0 is sort of the average temperature, and this is how far above or below the average temperature it is at that moment in time. So what conclusions does this graph support? So take a look at this graph and then read these conclusions and see if you can figure out which one the graph supports. Okay? When you're done, hit submit, and you go back into your digital science notebook and complete your learning target reflection. I will take a minute now and read these to you guys in case anyone wants to stick around and listen to you read them. The first one says average ocean surface temperatures steadily declined between 1880 and 2015. B says increases in carbon dioxide have increased surface ocean temperatures since 1970. C says in 1970, average ocean temperatures have been increasing. D says there has been no significant change in average ocean surface temperatures over the time period studied. And E says the change in average ocean temperatures from one year to the next is greater than the long-term change. So after you look at this graph, see if you can figure out which one of these is correct. Okay, and then just go back to your digital science notebook, reflect on the learning target, and turn it in.